Namaste, Suswagatam, and welcome all to the Visamo Speak series. I have to say that it's a bit of a new experience for me to do a Facebook Live. Why? Because at work and after, I've always been used to interactive live virtual sessions. So it's a bit of strange, for me to keep on talking and rambling and talking by myself. But I guess there's one good side to it. There won't be any questions. Just kidding. Please feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. I know there is a bit lag between me speaking and you getting the live feed. So आपके जो भी questions हो, आप please comment section में डाल दीजिएगा. Um, if we have time, and I know that if I know the answers, we can cover them at the end of the talk. And let's keep it casual. I will talk in Hindi, English, French, and German. Yeah, sorry, French and German तो मुझे आती नहीं है. Sorry, bad joke. Um, So first and foremost, यार मैं तो भूल ही गया. Where are my manners? Where is the introduction, right? So I am Satyajit Khade, so-called self-called creative absorber on the path of life. तो कुछ last year मैंने corporate world left behind कर दी. I left behind the corporate world in an attempt to transition from the rat race, as we know it, to human collaboration and to pursue my writing. अभी लेखक तो मैं हूँ नहीं. I just write anything that comes to my mind. I keep my blog stories, and since December I've been trying to work on my novel. But as you know, COVID happened, and it is what it is. I mean, we are locked down, and it's a struggle. But I'm trying to um, keep it going. So today I'm going to talk about happiness. But again, I'm making a mistake. First and foremost, right? I'd like to thank Visamo Foundation for this ongoing talk series and giving me an opportunity to talk. A little bit about Visamo for people who have tuned in late and probably don't know what they do. So it serves as a home to provide amenable living conditions with medical, physical, psychological, development, cultural, educational facilities to unprivileged children from all over. Commendable work indeed. Because that itself is the core, the foundation, the cornerstone, and the basis of the human hierarchy of needs. And that, with that, I transition to my talk, and I bring you to the hierarchy of needs pyramid. एक बात है कि what I've done is I'm going to show this on screen. I'm not able to see my video. Hopefully, yeah, there it is. So I'm going to show this on because I can share my screen. But ये जो picture मैं दिखा रहा हूँ, it's also in the comment section. I've already posted it in the comment section. It's called Maslow's hierarchy of needs. अभी चलो एक बार देखते हैं Maslow क्या बोल रहा है. Hopefully दिख रहा है. So इसके actually there are 5 parts to this pyramid, right? Maslow was a psychologist and behavior analyst from the last century. So he did a lot of analysis, and what basically came down is there are human needs are categorized into our basic needs. The last two sections है pyramid के basic needs, psychological needs, and then at the top there is self fulfillment or self actualization means. So basic needs, what do basic needs mean? It means your roti kapda makan, security and safety, right? Physiological and safety needs. So that's what Vinamo Foundation is doing. It's providing all these underprivileged kids with roti kapda makan shelter, and it's giving them the basis, the basic needs. So which will take them to the top of the second level of the pyramid, which is basically your belongingness, love, and esteem needs, right? Your friendships, your friends, your society relationships, the prestige that you get. So what Maslow says कि जैसे आप नीचे की needs fill करते जाते हो ऊपर, so you have to fulfill the bottom needs first before you move on to the top. तो जैसे आपको रोटी कपड़ा मकान मिल गया, तो आप फ्रेंडशिप you will look for relationships, get into relationships, try to improve your relationships. फिर वो हो गया तो you look for your prestige, your feeling of accomplishment. And after that, everything also moving होने के बाद, the last need, the top of the apex of the pyramid is the self-actualization. Self-actualization, आप इसे happiness बोलो, meaning of life बोलो, enlightenment बोलो, जो भी हो. Since dawn of crack of dawn, humanity has always been searching for meaning of life, happiness, and this is what it points to, right? जैसे ही आप basic needs qualify quantify करते हो, then you can keep on going up. That is what Maslow says. But again, it's up to you. I mean, I know basic needs fulfill होने के बाद, I mean, we can go up or down or whatever. You can get caught up in the pyramid. That's where I'm going to come later on and talk about some concepts. But this is basic, right? Everybody got this? तो लेकिन ये थियरी एक चीज इंप्लाई करती है कि अगर आपको बेसिक रोटी कपड़ा और मकान मिल गया, राइट, आपको दाल चावल मिल गया, आप यू आर हैप्पी, यू आर फुलफिल्ड, but then eating more of the same, like if you go to a lavish dinner, say you're going out, gorging on buffets or dessert खा रहे हो, kulfi ice cream, I mean जो भी, it doesn't give you more satisfaction if you get of the same thing. Normal shirt dress versus Gap, Levi's, no. Bigger houses, bigger cars, no additional points for that. A few close friends, absolutely. Versus cult status on Facebook and Twitter, no, it won't give you satisfaction. रेस्टोरेंट जा रहे हो, फोटो खींच रहे हो, फेसबुक पे डाल रहे हो, you are living your life. You're not living the life for your Facebook, right? So as we check the boxes on all the 4 levels and we move up, हमें ये जो लास्ट लेवल है सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन की, और जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, इट्स पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ, योर मीनिंग, जो भी आप बोलो, नो मैटर हाउ हार्ड वी ट्राई, वी आर कॉट इन एन इंटरमिनेबल लूप यहाँ पे नीचे. एंड again, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, this pattern will differ from person to person. You may be able to flip up depending on your how you have been born and raised and all your um, cultural baggage that you have with you. You may be able to go quickly up, or you may be caught in it. लेकिन ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why are people caught in this interminable loop in the bottom of the pyramid? And is it even a valid concept? So इसके लिए I'll have to move a bit further, or I'll have to introduce you to the concept of a hedonic treadmill. अभी treadmill तो आप सब जानते ही हो, something gym में जाके, you keep on running on it and try to lose weight. Again, it's an concept. So let's look at the hedonic treadmill. तो क्या है? So there is basically another picture I have put below hedonic treadmill का. I'll come to it in a bit. तो आपसे मैं एक सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, again सवाल पूछना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन there won't be any answer because I can't, there will be a lag, so I'll answer myself. But there is सवाल ये है कि when was the last time you wanted to buy something for yourself? जैसे यार एक अच्छी घड़ी, या कोई स्कूटर है आपके पास, लेकिन अभी आपको कार लेनी है, कार, और या फिर आपको प्रमोशन चाहिए काम पे, anything that you desired from the bottom of your heart, right? और आपने शायद बहुत टाइम स्पेंड किया उस पे, इमेजिन करते हुए कि how happy you would be if you attain those things, right? But when you did attain those things, आपको रियलाइजेशन हुआ होगा कि जो आपको हैप्पीनेस बूस्ट मिली, the so-called boost of happiness you got didn't last long, or it wasn't as intense as you imagined it to be, right? Right? Again, I'm assuming everybody's saying right. But most of us have gone through this cycle कि हम कुछ चीज के पीछे इतना भागते हैं कि हमें लगता है कि वो हमें बहुत खुशी देगी, लेकिन जब वो मिलती है तो इट्स लाइक थोड़े दिन के बाद you get used to it. Devi or Sajjano, this is hedonic treadmill, also known as hedonic adaptation. Again, this has a research done by a few more psychologists, that it is observed tendency of humans to quickly return to a set level of happiness, right? Despite major positive or negative events in life. Now, it says negative events as well. So it's not only positive events, it's also negative events. So जैसे suppose मैं मेरे पास बहुत पैसे आ गए, मेरे expectations और desires बढ़ गए, तो लेकिन मेरी suppose मेरे पास अभी एक कार है, right? टोयोटा या व्हाटएवर इंडिका। तो लेकिन थोड़ी देर के बाद आई विल लाइक, अरे यार एक कार तो है, अभी मजा नहीं आ रहा है, चलो कुछ दूसरी कार ले लेते हैं, एक एसयूवी ले लेते हैं बड़ी। तो मैंने ले ली, मेरी हैप्पीनेस ऊपर गई। 3-4 महीने के बाद इट विल कम बैक डाउन टू द सेम लेवल, एंड देन आई बी ऑन द ट्रेडमिल अगेन, यार मजा नहीं आया, अभी मर्सिडीज के पीछे भागते हैं, ऊपर मर्सिडीज देने के बाद नीचे, अरे यार अभी कुछ और ले लेते हैं। तो बेसिकली एक ट्रेडमिल जो यहाँ पे दिखाई हुई है, दैट्स हाउ वी गेट कॉट अप इन द रैट रेस। आप कुछ चीज देखते हो, जैसे आपका डेटा प्लान है फोन का, आप बहुत ब्राउज कर रहे हो, आई नो यू आर वी आर ऑल इनसाइड हाउसेस ड्यू टू कोविड, बहुत ब्राउज कर रहे हो, लेकिन आपको लगा यार मुझे और डेटा प्लान चाहिए, तो यू सी दैट यू कीप रनिंग आफ्टर इट, व्हेन यू गेट इट योर हैप्पीनेस बूस्ट, बट इट कम्स डाउन अगेन, एंड आपको लगता है अरे यार मुझे और डेटा प्लान चाहिए, अभी और चाहिए। So it's like that mouse running in a mouse. जो treadmill देखा आपने, वो भागते रहते। I think that's probably where the rat race term also came from. I'm not sure, but I'll have to Google it. So और ये बाजू में ग्राफ दिखाया हुआ है, which is basically पॉजिटिव इवेंट हुआ, नेगेटिव इवेंट हुआ, तुम्हारी सेट लेवल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस है बीच में, and it goes back and down. I think these pictures are also in the comment section, so you can take a look at that. So it's not only for good stuff, bad stuff भी होता है, like if you lose your job, you'll feel bad, your set level will go down, but eventually वापस you will come back. Even if you lose your limb, that's what it is. You'll get adapted to it. That's what it is, hedonic adaptation. You'll get adapted to the good or bad things, and your level of happiness goes back to the normal. Okay. Abhi, I'll take a bit of a pause here. I'll tell you a story. Okay. I'm not good at telling stories, but एक छोटा सा गांव था, कैसा होता है, वहाँ पे एक वेरी सिंपल पर्सन, एक बहुत ही सिंपल आदमी रहता था। वो क्या कर, उसकी थोड़ी जमीन थी, वो उस पर सब्जियां उगाता था, वेजिटेबल्स, और कुछ food just enough for himself, right, and his parents. और he used to spend the rest of his time helping people around, general work, किसी के खेत काट दिए, किसी को कहीं पे ड्रॉप किया, किसी को सामान लाना है उसको जाके हेल्प कर दी। तो that used to give him happiness. He was self-helping. और उसके पास बहुत टाइम था, मतलब after helping people also, तो एक दिन ऐसे ही बैठा था दूर, he was watching a sunset. तो बाजू में से एक ज्ञानी बंदा जा रहा था, उसने उसको देखा, यार एक बंदा ऐसे बैठा है, सूरज की तरफ देख रहा है, क्या चल रहा है? Hey, why don't you do something? Why don't you grow more vegetables, right? Or rice in your field? तो बंदे ने उस ज्ञानी की तरफ देखा और बोला, क्यों? अरे यार, you can sell them and make more money. अच्छा, फिर क्या होगा? अरे यार, you can buy more land. प्रोडक्शन बढ़ेगी, ट्रैक्टर, ऑटोमेशन। अच्छा, उससे क्या होगा? अरे यार, बहुत और पैसा आएगा, तुम बिजी हो जाओगे। फिर और पैसा आएगा तो तुम लोगों को रखोगे काम करने के लिए, और फिर तुम्हारे पास टाइम आ जाएगा और तुम जो चाहे वो कर सकते हो। जैसे जैसे तुम लोगों की मदद कर सकते हो, यहाँ बैठ के सनसेट देख सकते हो। तो भाई मैं अभी क्या कर रहा हूँ? So the moral of the story is, more is not enough. You need to find a happiness or whatever it is within yourself. Big, that reminds me, एक टॉक की थी मैंने just 2 weeks ago on I think Zoom पे थी, and it was an interactive talk. Right? I could ask questions to people, and they could give me their live answers. So actually, I'll ask those 2 questions here, or I'll talk about it, and then other आपको I know I don't know if I can see the comments. If you I would like to see what answers you give to those questions. Right. So if you like to answer, post your answers in the chat below, or या फिर आप अपने आंसर अपने दिमाग में दे सकते हो। ठीक है? तो उस चैट में I talk briefly about happiness. What does actually happiness mean? So मैंने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि what is the most cherished possession, material possession, right? कोई एक चीज जो आपने पैसे देके खरीदी हो, जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा खुशी देती हो। Think about it. Think about answers in your mind, and I'll come back to the answers I got. And most answers don't surprise me, because you'll be surprised by what gives pleasure to humans eventually, like pure joy, unadulterated joy. for themselves, not with comparison with Mr. Joshi or Mr. Jones, right? ठीक है, तो पहला आंसर मेरे को मिला, this guy loved his flute, बांसुरी, लकड़े की simple बांसुरी, and that person had that bassuri with him. Actually, he takes it wherever it goes. और उसने उस chat उस session, Zoom session पे he actually played the bassuri, and you could see his face. He was like, it was something else. You could see the joy on his face. और दूसरे एक बंदे ने आंसर किया कि it was his cricket bat. And now I know this person personally because just 3 months ago he had bought the high-end Tesla, जो भी है SYZ जो भी मॉडल है, वो खरीदा था. तो I was expecting his answer would be Tesla, his Tesla. But no, his answer was a cricket bat. और उसने वो भी बोला कि he likes to play cricket every Sunday, and the sweet sound that the bat makes when it middles the ball and drives it out of the boundary line, precious. So coming to my second question, when was the last time you really felt overjoyed, happy in the deepest sense? Now, this doesn't have to be anything material, just pure happiness. आपको किस चीज से या किस event से मिली? So the answer I got on this again varied, but one of the answers I picked is it was a very simple answer. This person, whom I've known actually for last 20 years or so, is a constant gardener. I would say he's a constant gardener because there are some people who only garden in their backyard. This person always gardens, nourishes himself, his mind. Is always gardening something or the other, right? Or if people who are into gardening or horticulture know that how hard it is to grow a pineapple tree. जैसे आप अगर पाइनएप्पल लो, पाइनएप्पल को काटो, उसका जो बुश लो और उसको प्लांट करो, 1 साल, 2 साल, 3 साल, 4 साल बाद उसमें फ्लावर आता है. तो ये बंदा गार्डनर है, आप बाहर जाता है, you walk around and look at what is progress from the night before, and this morning he saw a pineapple flower, and the joy he got was immense. He waited 4 years for the event. He may have spent lots of time on it, but the joy he got at the end of it was immeasurable. Let's see if there are any comments, answers in the comments. Okay, well, let's move on. Probably people will answer at the end. So कहने का तात्पर्य है कि happiness doesn't mean you are rich or poor. एक recent Gallup study हुई थी. They interviewed citizens of around 150 countries का they interviewed people, presidents, and you'll be surprised that some of the poorest countries of Latin America were in the top 10, like Costa Rica, Paraguay, Uruguay, not North America, not Europe, but some of the poorest countries of Latin America. Right? So let me rephrase this in another way. We are always chasing happiness and running away from our fears. Right? Repeat. We are always chasing happiness and running away from our fears. By fear, I do not mean our physical instinctive fear that we are born with for survival, the fight or flight. No, that's what has gotten us where we are. That is okay. I'm talking about the psychological fear that has been conditioned in our mind. The fear of losing one's job, house, fame. लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे, मेरी इमेज कैसी है, मैं कैसा लग रहा हूँ, क्या होगा, कल क्या होगा. All the conditioning, right, that we have been getting. So we all fuel the hedonic treadmill, right? So while it may be true कि ये hedonic treadmill जो है, it seems to spin faster as one gets more. Can we slow it down? I mean, I accept the fact that we cannot get completely off of it. I mean, if you get off of it and you have some hacks, that's awesome. But I don't think we can. But we can, of course, slow it down a bit. Okay, I talked about this set points, right? So these set points, our happiness and fear set points, are based on our conditioning, right? जैसे हम लोग born हुए, whatever race we had, religion, culture, nationality, traditions, what was the economy, how was our parenting, all our education that has contributed to our fixed set point, right? And each one is different, and each one will be managing their hedonic treadmill behavior differently. Some hacks I would like to present some hacks and hints that work for me, right? So what you have to do is you have to accept your emotions, including fear. Running away from fear leads to frustration. Just say, क्या होगा? I mean, what will happen if you lose your job? Again, the level will go down, but you are capable enough. You'll find another job. कुछ नया job मिल जाएगा. Right? So again, these are some things that work for me, but may or may not work for you all. Right? So find meaning and pleasure in what you do. So engage in goals you want to achieve instead of what you feel obligated to do. जैसे एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि एक स्मॉल वेकेशन मैंने मेरे फैमिली के साथ लिया था. वी वेंट कहीं एक स्मॉल छोटे से पार्क में कैंपिंग के लिए गए थे. एंड देन आई थिंक आई मेस्ड अप समथिंग. आई फॉरगॉट all the bag of food or something. So we had to go back. But kids always give me a hard time. That was the best camping ever. We went there for 5 minutes. We came back because we didn't have any food back. So good or bad, they a lot of fun. Whenever we talk about it, I'm obviously embarrassed in a good way. But so some experiences with family give more joy than material possessions. And I try to maintain a frugal lifestyle. If you look at my blogs and everything is about frugality, and I believe that frugality is the cornerstone of our society. Our society, be it Indian society or American society, was built on the concepts of frugality, but consumerism has slowly chipping away at it. We are slowly falling prey to consumerism, and I still believe that leading a frugal lifestyle will bring some sanctity in your life. Our life is simplified now. I know it's easy to say, but focus on one thing at a time. यार हम लोग हमेशा जल्दी में रहते हैं. A to Z, right from the start of a sentence to the full stop. भागते रहते हैं. Focus on one thing. Multitasking मत करो. Slow down करो. Life के moment enjoy करो. Right? The journey matters more than the destination. Once you get to the destination, that's it, done. You are looking for another destination and destination. So take one task, slow down, उसको enjoy करो. That's and do tasks that you want to do instead of what you feel you want to do. There is a difference. Or I try to keep a long list of priorities, right? Somewhere I can see daily. Just some few things on my priority are be a better parent, uh, be independent, my health and fitness. I made those my lifestyle, so I automatically get drawn towards pursuing my lifestyle, like health and fitness, better parenting. I don't when I say junk food, I don't gorge on it. I just try to avoid it, whatever. It's become a mentality, a part of my life. And last but not least, keep this list where you can see it daily. So जैसे आपको लगा कि यार मेरे को कुछ हेडोनिक ट्रेडमिल के पीछे भाग रहा हूँ मैं, मुझे बड़ा नया सूट लेना है, नए कपड़े लेने हैं, जरूरत नहीं है, आपके पास बहुत से कपड़े हैं लेकिन नए लेने. आप इस लिस्ट को देखो. नो, आई वांट टू बी अ बेटर पेरेंट. लेट मी वर्क ऑन दोस स्किल्स बैक फर्स्ट एंड देन कम टू दिस लिस्ट. तो बेसिकली आप अगर आपके लॉन्ग टर्म प्रायोरिटीज जो आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है उस पर फोकस करोगे तो ये जो ट्रेडमिल की चीजें है जो ऑटोमेटिकली टुवर्ड्स बॉटम जाएगी एंड इवेंचुअली मे ड्रॉप ऑफ योर लाइफ altogether, right? And last, I always remind people that you have to be mindful of your mind-body connection through exercise, whatever relieves your mind, right? Yoga, meditation, breathing techniques, mindfulness, mindlessness. Actually, mindlessness का भी किया है, where you just look at something. There are ants in the backyard. There will be bees. Just don't have no thoughts in your mind. Take that time to yourself. Again, जैसे मैंने कहा, this list is not comprehensive. These are the hacks that work for me. आपके लिए work करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, it's up to you, right? So you can definitely slow down the treadmill and trade happy, fulfilling steps towards life. Um, and finally, I'll leave you with a poem, right? Who or what I am. I'm going to read it from you. Oops. I have no name, no religion, nor do I have any caste, creed, or origin. I am not bound by time, nor by constraints of area, geography, or region. I have no beginning and no end. I stop those who seek me. I bow to those who feed me. I crave for those who crave for me. I face those who face me, and I chase those who shun me. I fight those who chain me. I am universe and universe is me. What I know, do not know, I do not know. But what I know burdens me as well as empowers me. And finally, it dawns upon me that it is all but me. So this can be anything. It can be your fear. Like I said, who or what am I? It can be your fear, your happiness, your conscience, your courage. It's up to you. So with that, I'll take you back to Maslow's pyramid and this summary. So basic needs, roti, kapda, makan, security, education, and access to all of this is still not a reality for many, right? And Visama Foundation is one of the many initiatives to improve this access as a kid's or a child's right. And they are seeking support from people, institutions, communities all over, and in whatever way possible. So go to their web page, Facebook page, talk about this cause with your friends, your family, volunteer with them, and try to link this foundation, this Kids Foundation, with like-minded people like you and me. Help as much as you can, and try to slowly take those steps out of the hedonic treadmill and towards happiness. Thank you very much for listening to me.